Jaguar Land Rover has confirmed that the highly anticipated Range Rover Electric, originally planned for a late 2025 release, will now arrive in 2026. The company explained that the delay is due to extended testing to ensure the vehicle meets the highest standards, as well as waiting for more favorable market conditions for electric vehicles. Around 62,000 customers in the UK and Europe who had shown interest have been informed about the revised delivery timeline. This postponement may also impact the launch schedule of other upcoming electric models from the brand, reflecting a broader adjustment in its electrification strategy. The Range Rover Electric is set to be the brand's first fully in-house developed EV, combining iconic Range Rover luxury with cutting-edge electric performance. It will feature a powerful dual-motor setup producing around 550 horsepower and 851 Nm of torque, paired with a massive 117 kilowatt-hour battery pack capable of delivering over 500 kilometers of driving range on a single charge. Built on an 800-volt architecture, it will support ultra-fast charging up to 350 kilowatts, significantly reducing charging times. Maintaining the signature Range Rover off-road capability, the electric version will integrate advanced all-wheel drive, adaptive suspension, and the latest driver assistance technologies, making it a luxurious yet capable SUV for the electric era.